In this video, I'll show you how you can schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. So this is actually very simple to do. If you just follow the steps in this quick tutorial, you'll be able to do this in just a minute or so. So all you need to do is open Microsoft Teams and then click on Meetings right there. Now this will send you over to this page where you can automatically find the Schedule Your Next Meeting section. So all you need to do is click right here on Schedule a Meeting. You can then add a title to this meeting. You can also set the date, so I'll just do the 29th of June. You can select a time, let's do 6 p.m. and we're gonna do this until, let's do 7 p.m. So we're gonna have a 1-hour meeting. Click on schedule and that's it. So that's exactly how you can schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. You can then also share the meeting invitation through a copy link, Outlook and also Google Calendar, but that's up to you guys. But that's how you can schedule a meeting on on Microsoft Teams. So if this quick video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.